Hi, this is Pam from Wood Camper Crafts, and today I'm going to show you the puff stitch. This is one of the stitches I use in my baby Kate's toque. Okay, let's get started. Yarn over and insert your hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. You have 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and insert your hook into the same stitch. Yarn over and pull through. You have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and insert your hook into the same stitch. Yarn over and pull through. You now have 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 7 loops on your hook to complete the puff stitch. If you want a bigger puff stitch, just continue the steps in the same stitch until you have your desired size. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more stitch tutorials and free crochet tutorials, please subscribe to my channel.